Okay, I'm in Thailand and I'm here to see the bro from Kyiv, Ukraine. Hey! What's up, brother? Good to see you, bro. We have not caught up in so long. So good to see this, bro. Oh my god. Let's go inside, bro. Let's go inside. Alrighty, let's go. Alright, I'm here with my boy Michael from Ukraine, and we are in Thailand, in Bangkok. We have just arrived today. I've just arrived. And should we go here? We're gonna take a walk around the streets, get some food, get some wine. We had a quick 15-minute catch up. And we covered everything from February all the way till now. What's been happening since Ukraine. And we're gonna sit down properly and have some food, have a beer, have some drinks, and discuss what really happened this year. And probably we'll do a vlog later on, maybe, right?
Yeah.
Just talks about what our experience was, what your experience was, because the way I left Ukraine was different to how he left Ukraine.
Mm-hmm.
Very different.
Yeah, it's very different.
So we'll probably do a vlog. It'll be really cool to see. Oh, show you the streets here. Water leaking. Be careful. All right, let's go. Love these cool streets. That's where the party's at, dog. That's where the party's at. I actually didn't think that I'll come to Thailand, only because of you. Mm-hmm. And probably a good choice, actually.
Yeah.
Reminds me of India.
Yeah.
Some suit shops, electronics.
Okay.
Ooh.
So you don't want to get a suit. But there's an interesting point that you mentioned.
What?
Well, you can't really carry a
suit?
You can't really wear a suit, like a really nice suit. You can't really wear it.
Not every day,
life.
no.
Yeah.
No.
So
A tailored suit is good for an occasion. Okay, see what we have here. Clothing shops, the typical bazaar vibes.
I think I stayed here like 19 years ago.
19 years ago.
2003, yeah. When I was
You came with your
Thailand.
family?
No, I was just traveling by myself.
19 years ago.
19 years ago.
You're 20.
21. First time by myself.
Yeah.
Little naive blonde guy. But it was life changing. Let's put it that way.
Yeah?
Yeah.
You came alone just by yourself?
Yeah.
Why Thailand?
I considered 3 countries: South America,
Uh-huh.
Thailand, and actually New Zealand.
Really?
Yeah, and I talked to
You have not been to New Zealand?
I haven't. No. And I've talked to 2 of my friends who were older, and they had experience traveling, and
I
they
see.
said Thailand's it's inexpensive, it's super friendly, it's safe. For the first time as a backpacker, they recommended that, and so that's how I went to Thailand.
I see. Well, it is pretty cool. So my first impressions of Thailand, literally being out like for 10 minutes from the hotel, is we're actually in the right of the center of Bangkok, aren't we? Right in the center.
I think one of the centers. Yeah.
I see. And we just got out of the hotel, and we take a quick stroll. There's a bunch of shops, clothing shops, souvenir shops, food. Lots of people from overseas. Lots of travelers and tourists. Ooh, how cool is this? It's like a bar.
Yeah.
Silly beer. Cool. Look at those prices.
It's actually the same conversion rate
Is it?
as Greenland. Very similar. So we are off season right now. This street is usually full or in season.
Is it?
Yeah.
Oh man, imagine if Shay joined us. That would be a fucking... Shay, if you're watching, bro. that would be a dope scene. Oh man, I'm still so tired from the flight. 12 hours. Last night I only slept 3 hours. I didn't get enough sleep, and then on the plane, not good sleep either. So I'm like pretty drained out at the moment. But hopefully this party will cheer me up. Cool vibes, right? I swear to God, India's kind of similar. Same sort of like, you know, always something going on everywhere you look. You have not traveled to India, have you?
I have.
Oh, you have?
Yeah.
Yes,
Chennai,
of
Goa.
course.
Yeah. I like Thailand, India. I like the chaos.
Me too.
Yeah.
Me too. What's happening here?
Well, that's the Khao San Road.
It's the main street. All right. Look how cheap this stuff is over here. This is 160 baht. So 500 baht is $20. This is like very, very, very cheap. Okay. Good menu. If you see laksa anywhere, let me know. Laksa. Laksa is amazing, amazing soup. Chicken laksa is amazing. And tom yum is amazing too.
Yeah, tom yum.
Bro, first of all, cheers.
Cheers.
Cool, bro. Put this up here. So yeah, you can walk around the city with just a strap on. No work. Yeah, thank you. Thank you so much. Amazing. Thanks. Chicken and cashew stir fry, my favorite. Sorry?
Is that
No,
pad thai?
is it pad thai? Is it? No, this was
Oh no, that's wrong. He wanted.
lucky I didn't touch.
Yeah, you didn't touch.
Okay, that was not chicken and cashew.
And you're pretending it's my favorite.
They're still confused. They're still looking. They're like, yo.
They also brought us the wrong beer. We ordered chunk, so.
Okay, so we ordered a Chang beer and we got a singer. Maybe because my last name is Singh, who knows? And we ordered chicken and cashew nuts and we got some pad thai. Well, services gotta adjust to it a little bit, but good so far. I love the vibes here, man. You guys are gonna love the vibes. Look at the vibes here. There's some beautiful music playing. Beautiful music. Lots of tourists, food, drinks. Love it. So, yeah, man. I reckon. What's that?
Really?
It's happening now. People have started to figure it out. Anyway, would you like some, bro? At least a little bit? Late here for you?
I'm asking.
Okay.
With beer.
Fasting with beer. Mmm. Hello, yes, the bill, yes. We'll love it, thank you. Let's go, brother. Let's go, go, go. Drop, drop. The vibes out here in Bangkok, dog. We just had our dinner. I had some chicken and cashew stir fry, 2 beers, amazing time, great street. We're gonna come back here. He didn't eat. The bro was fasting. Who fasts in Bangkok? No.
I ate 4 meals before.
Alright. We're gonna take a quick stroll, go for a walk, check out some corners, some streets, some peeps, and then head over back to our hotel. I kind of feel alive again after that food and a beer. Oh, I was so tired before, you know. Oh, no, we're good, bro. Thank you. Good. Huh? Oh, no, we'll just walk.
Good lady.
Ladies, oh no. Good, thank you. The bro is selling us some ladies. I thought he was asking us for a ride or something. Bangkok. Welcome to Bangkok.